Hello, welcome back to the second video of this series. On the first video we have created the main fuselage of the B29. Now what we're going to do, we are going to do the nose, this section, and I'm going to do the bottom section here. So let's start by hiding the canvas. I am going to create a patch there. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to create a patch there, and I click OK. Now we have these two patches. We can hide the main fuselage, and we're going to do a new sketch based on that plane, not on this but on that, and we're going to project, and we're going to project the external line. Press OK. Now we're gonna do a line. Let's go to the origin point, and we are going to pull up vertically and stay vertically, and we click OK there, and then we finish the sketch. So now if I hide that sketch, I have 1 and 2. Right, now we've done that. So we can put the side view, put back the canvas for now, and we create a sketch, and this time we're going to do a sketch on this plane, and we're going to project, and we're going to project that point, and let me take the canvas off, and I want to project the middle line as well, just in case, and I press OK. Let's put back the right side, put back the canvas, and now we're gonna create a spline, control point spline, and we're gonna follow roughly, not roughly, as close as possible. We're gonna follow the nose. We've done that. Let me take the canvas off, and we should be finishing the sketch. That should be fine. So go back there. It looks okay. So canvas off, turning this one out, create a loft, and we do a loft for that, and that, and we click OK. And now we should have a nose. If I put the body back, we should have a front complete section of the B29. So that looks pretty good. So let's go and do the bottom. So here I'm going to take the canvas off, I'm going to create a sketch, and I'm going to create a sketch on that plane. I'm going to press P for project, and I click on the external line, and I click OK. Now I get the line, and as before, straight vertical, intersect there, going back up vertical, and finish sketch. Now we can hide the body as well. Now we can put the canvas back, although let's do the sketch first. There's less mess in the middle. Click OK, P for project, and we're gonna project that point, and again the middle point, the middle line, just in case. Let's go back to the right. Now let's put back the canvas, and we can use the split line once more. So here I am going to try to do a curve like that instead than following that. I can build the rest afterwards if I want to. So let's click that. Excuse me. Let's go back. That's the fun of the lives, not live, but the non edited videos. You can hear everything. Okay, let's see where we are now. Oh, still. Okay, that's more or less okay. Click finish sketch, excuse me, once more. I don't know what's going on now. Switch off the canvas, and again we have 3 separate entity. Create a loft, 1, 2, oh, what's happened here? Okay, I must have a click somewhere else. So let's put that to the right, and let's add the body. It's not that, it's that one. Sorry, I just had a attack of sneezes. Right, we've done the main body. Now what we need to do, we need to start to do the the wing. So in this case, let me have a look, because I may need to move the roughly in the middle. No, I leave it there. I leave it there. I leave it there. Now, what we're gonna do, let's have a look if it does count. Let me take these two body off, and I can do a sketch on the bottom plane. Let's see if that works. And I click a line and I pull a line up to there. I pull a line up to there, and then I pull a line roughly from here, following the line up to there, and this is the same up to there. So now I can trim this section. I would probably actually do this one to there, and then this one to here, this one to here. I can put that one there, I can put that one there, and I can put that one there. Now I can cut all of these. And I don't really need this side. I only need 1, 2, 3 and 4. Finish a sketch. So if I take the canvas off and I have this one down here, which is not the right place, definitely it's not the right place. But what I can do, I can select them all. I don't want to select the origin point. I want to select just the, and then I can move them up. And I can do a 4.5, I believe, is the dihedral, and then we push it back, so we have roughly the middle. There. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'm losing it. Okay, let's see how it goes. So I want to put a foil there. Before doing that, I need to take measurement. I need to inspect that one, which is 241, 241, 917. 26507, 26571, 190, 190.626, 626, 104, 529. Okay, I've got those, so I can go to the utilities, click on the adds on, select the A4 dot, run. Oh, I didn't do the construction plane. Construction at angle. $90. Let's see how it goes. Utilities. That. And we have 241.917. Click OK. I got the A4 already loaded. Click open. Looks okay, so I am going to move that one out. Let's select where we're gonna put the pivot. I'm gonna put the pivot there. I'm gonna click OK. Then I do point to point and I select that point. To that point. I press OK, and I have one. Perfect. So go back here, constructional plane, that I put 90 degrees, OK. Utilities, adds in a dot run, select that one, and we have a 206.571, still the root. Oh, why did you not like that? Construction, I've got that one, I've got that one, it's okay. Okay, so if I do delete that one, yes, delete. Why this one are skewed now? Those are not straight. Okay, I must have them done no straight. What sketch is that one? Let's remove that. Edit sketch. Put the canvas back on. Finish sketch. Canvas off. Let me try again. 90. Okay. Okay, it looks like looks more promising now. So utilities, adds in, run, select that, 206.571. Right. This one now comes upside down, as you can see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a middle line. Then I am going to select all, click mirror, cancel that, select mirror line. Okay, so I am going to delete the bottom one. And we can delete the middle line as well. Finish sketch. point to point. I'm gonna use that point there, which is gonna go to this point there. There. Okay. Pa-da-pa-pa. I know why. Right. Let me remove everything and we start from scratch. I think what I need to do is minus 90. Select that and 26571. Now also that is correct. Don't need to flip. So we're gonna click on that. Select all, move. 155 was that? Move. Select the point. Okay. And now I have to. So what I can do now, I can do this plane, minus 90, and I can do another one while I'm here, minus 90 for the tip. Now we are here, we can do utilities, and we can add the other one, which is going to be 190.626.626, and I'm still using the root, and it's on the right position. Select the point, which is that one there, and it's going to be that one there. Okay, go off, and now we can do what did I want to do? I didn't want to do another utilities. Add in, select that, and we have a 104.529. Click OK, and now we get a tip. Hopefully, yeah, it's on the right side. Select, and we get that one. To that one, and we click OK. Right, now we have all the foil in position, so I could do a loft. Let's see if, because I think sometime it gives a funny shape, the loft. I think I need to do a sweep. I always get confused with these commands. Sweep that. We sweep that. No, it's a loft. And we loft that to that. And I click OK. Then I do another loft. And I do that loft to that loft. And I click OK. And then I do another loft. And I do from here to here. And I click OK. Then I can take that things off and I can put the three together. And from the top we put back the canvas. It looks pretty nice. Let's have a look from the front. And from the front it looks also nice. Be short there, but what I can do is select, move, and I can move it there. Doesn't really matter if I have these out, because at the end of the day I'm gonna cut it around the body there. So let's have a look. If I take the canvas off, let's see if that one resembles the airplane, and it does. So if I rename that nose, and fuselage, and I think because those ones are quite okay, I can do a stitch, and I can do 1, 2 and 3, and I can stitch it together, and I can call this one wing. There we go. We have the basic shape of the airplane with the fuselage and the wing. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. And if you have any comment, leave them below. Any tips, suggestion on how to do modeling better, all suggestions are more than welcome. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.